Okay, so we have a given function, not very normal shape, but they give you 3 points here. They give you 3 points, and then they also give you a horizontal asymptote on one end, but the other end goes to negative infinity. And then, so that's fx. They want you to apply the knowledge you learned in the transformation chapter to sketch a new function as given here. So we look at a new function. So the first thing we need to do is to see if the coefficient of x is 1 or not, right? Which is not 1, so we need to factor this out. So we need to do something with a function. We take this 2 out. And then we need to write down the steps of transformation. So is there any reflection? Yes, right? There is reflection. So step 1 is reflection in up and down reflection in the x-axis. And then step 2 is we have stretching here, and that's in the bracket, so that's the horizontal stretch by factor of 1/2. And then we have translation. You have both horizontal and vertical translation. We can say we move left by 1 unit and down by 1 unit. So in IB notation, -1, -1. So yeah, so going left and going down. And then we have to apply these 3 steps of transformation to the given point, as well as the horizontal asymptote. So remember, there are 4 pieces of information here that needs to be transformed. So let's write down the 4 pieces. The 3 points, -2, 4, and 0, 2, and then 1, 0, as well as the line y equal to 1. And then let's do the steps of transformation. Step 1, step 2, and then step 3. And then we need to graph step 3 later. So let's change the color here. Step 1, reflection in x-axis, up and down reflection. Up and down reflection, -2, -4, right? Which apply to all the other points. Let's quickly do that. Y equal to -1. Step 2, horizontal stretch by factor of half. So you multiply the x value by half. 2, 0, and then the y equal to -1 still y equal to -1. And then you subtract by 1 by both x and y values. So -2, -5, -1, -3, -half, -1, and then y equal to -2. So remember, these are the ones that need to be graphed need to be plotted on the graph. So okay. -2, -5, right? So we make a good estimate, 2, 4, and 5. So -2, -5 becomes here. And then -1, -3, -half, -1, and then line y equals to -2, which is correct. Yeah. Now we just put the puzzle together. Remember, connect the dots first, curving like that, and then something like that. And then remember, this original, you have a vertex point. Here also have vertex point, but because flip, it becomes the lowest point. And the shape of the graph should be relatively similar as before. And then that's pretty much good, right?